Welcome to AKN Sprint Education, and today's our session is about minor of an element and cofactor of an element. So both are the very important topics. How to find minor of an element. Suppose A is a square matrix of 3 by 3 whose order is 3 by 3. The minor of an element is defined as its determinant of 2 by 2 matrix obtained after deleting the row and the column in which the element is present. Children, let me explain with an example. For example, consider a matrix A equal to 1, 0, minus 2, 3, minus 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. So this is the matrix A. What do you mean by minor? The minor of an element. For example, in the given matrix A, we have 3 rows and 3 columns. So whose order is 3 by 3, which is a 3 by 3 matrix, and the elements in this matrix are 1, 0, minus 2, 3, minus 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. So if you want to find the minor of a particular element, children, for example, if you want to find the minor of an element 1, I need to find the minor of an element 1. The minor of an element is defined as its determinant of 2 by 2 matrix after deleting the row and the column in which element is present. Children, see here. Actually, the element 1 which is present in first row and first column. So after deleting the row and the column in which the element is present, element 1 which is present in first row and first column, so that we need to remove, children. That we have to delete. So you delete this and you delete this. So we got minus 1, 2, 5, 6, which is a 2 by 2 matrix. Its determinant of 2 by 2 matrix. Its determinant of 2 by 2 matrix. Are you understanding, children? What is the minor of an element 1? That particular row and particular column we need to delete. So what we got? We got an element remaining is minus 1, 2, 5, 6, which is a 2 by 2. Yes, 2 rows. You can see minus 1, 2, 5, 6. So which is a what? Which is a 2 by 2 matrix. So that's what? Determinant of 2 by 2 matrix. Determinant of 2 by 2 matrix. As we know, how to find determinant? Determinant in the sense, actually AD, A1, B2 minus A2, B1. So minus 1 into 6 minus A2 into B1, 5 into 2. So minus 1 into 6, minus 6, minus 5 into 2, 5 2 is 10. So minus 6 minus 10, that is equal to how much, children? Minus 16. So children, what is the minor of element 1? Minor of element 1 is minus 16. Okay, let us find one more minor. For example, let us find this is 1, 0, minus 2, 3, 4. Okay, children, let us find minor of an element 0, children. Okay, minor of an element 0. This element 0 which is there in first row, second column, children. Element 0 which is there in first row and second column. We need to delete that particular row and particular column. So remaining, we will get 2 by 2 matrix. They are 3, 2, 4, 6. 3, 2, 4, 6, children. So which is a 2 by 2 matrix. What to do? we need to find determinant of 2 by 2 matrix. How to find determinant of 2 by 2 matrix? That is A1 B2 3 into 6 minus A2 B1 4 into 2. 3 6 are 18 minus 4 2 are 8. So 18 minus 8, that is equal to 10. So children, what is the minor of element 0, which is equal to 10? Now let us find minor of an element minus 2, children. Minor of minus 2. So what to do? We need to remove that particular row and that particular column. So we will get a 2 by 2 matrix, that is 3 minus 1 4 5. What to do, children? We need to find determinant of 2 by 2 matrix. So that is modulo of 3 minus 1 4 5. So this is called determinant, right? So A1 B2 3 into 5 minus A2 B1 4 into minus 1, children. So 3 into 5, 3 5s are 15, minus into minus plus 4 1s are 4. So 15 plus 4, 19. So what is the minor of an element minus 2? Minor of an element minus 2 is 19. Okay. Now suppose if you want to find minor of an element, suppose if you want to find minor of an element 3, children, minor of 3. So 3, element 3, which is in second row first column. Yes or no? 3 is there in second row first column. So we need to remove that particular row and particular column. So we will get a 2 by 2 matrix, that is 0 minus 2 5 6, children. So this is a 2 by 2 matrix, and we need to find the determinant of 2 by 2 matrix. So that is modulo of 0 minus 2 5 6. A1 B2 0 into 6 minus A2 B1 5 into minus 2. 0 into 6 0, minus into minus plus 5 2s are 10. So 0 plus 10 10. What are, children? What is the minor of an element 3? That is 10. Now how to find minor of an element minus 1? Minor of an element minus 1. Minor of an element minus 1. Right? See, minus 1, which is there in second row, second column. That particular row, particular column we need to remove. So remaining elements are 1 minus 2 4 6. 1 minus 2 4 6. Right? So whose determinant? 1 into 6 minus 4 into minus 2. So 1 6 are 6, minus into minus plus 4 2 are 8. 6 plus 18, 6 plus 8, that is equal to 14. Now how to find minor of element 2? How to find minor of an element 2? So element 2, which is there in second row, third column. So that particular row, that particular column you remove. So elements are 1 0 4 5. 1 0 4 5. Right? Whose determinant? That is 1 into 5 5 minus 4 into 0 0. 5 minus 0, that is equal to 5, children. Okay. Now let us find minor of an element 4. How to find minor of an element 4? 4 is there in which row and which column? Actually element 4 is there in third column and first row. Sorry, third row and first column. So remove that particular row and particular column. So you will get the elements are 0 minus 2 minus 1 2, children. So whose determinant? 0 into 2 0 minus minus 1 into minus 2, that is equal to plus 2 children. So 0 minus 2, which is equal to minus 2. Now how to find minor of an element, that is 5 children. So 5 which is there in third row, second column. You remove third row, second column. So elements are 1 minus 2, 3, 2. 1 minus 2, 3, 2 children. So determinant 1 into 2, 2 minus 3 into minus 2, that is minus 6. 2 minus into minus plus 6. So 2 plus 6 how much children? 2 plus 6, that is equal to 8. Now let us find minor of an element. Minor of an element 6. Right? 6 is in third row, third column. You remove that particular column and particular row. We have an elements 1, 0, 3 minus 1. 1, 0, 3 minus 1. Let us find determinant. 1 into minus 1, minus 1, minus 3 into 0, 0 children. Minus 1 minus 0, which is equal to minus 1. So in this way, we can find some minor of an element. Now the second topic is how to find cofactor of an element. Cofactor of an element. So cofactor of an element in the ith row and jth column of 3 by 3 matrix is defined as its minor multiplied by minus 1 whole to the power of I plus j. Let me explain. So for example, now my point is how to find cofactor of 1. How to find the cofactor of element 1. How to find the cofactor of element 1. So this element, actually row is denoted by I and colon it is denoted by element j. Right? These rows are represented by letter I and columns are represented by the letter j. Okay children? So that is the meaning of ith row and jth column of a 3 by 3 matrix. This is the 3 by 3 matrix. How to find cofactor of 1? See, defined as minor multiplied by minus 1 whole to the power of I plus j. Minor multiplied by minus 1 whole to the power of I plus j. See, if you want to find cofactor of 1, minor. What is the minor of 1? That particular column, particular row you remove, whose minor is what? Minus 1, 2, 5, 6. Yes or no children? Minus 1, 2, 5, 6. This is minor. What is the element 1? What is the minor of element 1? That particular column and particular row you remove and remaining elements are minus 1, 2, 5, 6. That I wrote. That is called minor multiplied by minus 1 whole to the power of I plus j. I in the sense element 1 which is there in first row. This is in first row. So I means 1 plus and element 1 which is there in first column. So j also 1 children. Are you understanding my point? Minus 1 whole to the power of I plus j. So minus 1 whole to the power of I in the sense it indicates row. I mean element 1 which is there in first row. That's why in place of I wrote 1. And element 1 which is there in first column, that's why I wrote as 1. So minus 1 whole to the power of 1 plus 1, 2. So how to find determinant? A1, B2, that is minus 1 into 6, minus 6 minus 5 into 2, 5 2 ja 10. So minus 1 whole square, I mean minus 1 into minus 1. Minus into minus plus 1 1 ja 1. So which is how much children? Plus 1 into minus 6 minus 10, that is equal to minus 16. Plus 1 into minus 16 plus into minus minus 116 ja 16. So children, what is the cofactor of element 1? That is equal to minus 16 children. Cofactor of 1 is how much? Minus 16. Now let me find cofactor of 0. Let me find cofactor of 0. Actually, element 0 is there in first row. Element 0 is there in first row, second column. Which row? First row, second column. So actually, how to find cofactor? Minor multiplied by minus 1 whole to the power of I plus j. Minus 1 whole to the power of I plus j. Element 0 is there in first row plus it is there in second column, children. Second column. So 1 plus 2. Are you understanding? Element 0 is there in first row and second column. I mean I equal to 0 and j equal to 2. So that is minus 1 whole to the power of 1 plus 2, and we need to remove that particular row and particular column. Yes. So remaining elements are 3, 2, 4, 6. What is the minor of 0? That particular row and particular column we need to remove. Elements are 3, 2, 4, 6. 3, 2, 4, 6. So minus 1 whole to the power of 1 plus 2, 3. And whose determinant is what? 3 into 6. 3 6 ja 18 minus 4 into 2. 4 2 ja 8. So minus 1 whole to the power of 3. See children, here power is odd number. If it is odd, so what you will get? The result is negative, children. You can see minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. 1 1 ja 1, 1 1 ja 1. Okay, so minus 1 whole to the power of 3. Number of negative integers are being multiplied is odd, so result is negative, children. Yes, minus 1 into 18 minus 8, that is 10. So minus 1 into 10, that is equal to minus 10. So what is the cofactor of element 0, children? That is minus 10. Okay, now let us find the cofactor of minus 2. Cofactor of minus 2. Actually, minus 2 is there in first row and third column, right? So minus 4 whole to the power of 1 plus 3. I mean minus 1 whole to the power of 1 plus 3, how much, children? That is equal to 4, children. 1 plus 3, that is equal to 4. I mean, what is the minor of? First we have to find what is the minor of minus 2. Minus 2 which is there in first row, third column, right? We need to remove that particular row and particular column. Elements are 3 minus 1, 4, 5. 3 minus 1, 4, 5, children. Right? Now, let us find the determinant of 3, 5. 3 into 5, 3 5 is 15. Minus into minus plus, children. 4 1 is 4. 15 plus 1, 16. Minus 1 into, actually, minus 1 to the power 4. So, children, here power is even number. Number of negative integers are being multiplied is even. Result is positive, children. Minus 1 to the power 4, that is equal to plus 1. Right? So plus 1 into 16, that is equal to 16, children. So here answer is 16. Okay. Now let us find cofactor of 3, children. So actually 3. How to find cofactor? Minor multiplied by minus 1 to the power I plus j. Minus 1 to the power, it is in second row and first column. 2 plus 1 and it is in second row and first column. That particular row and particular column you remove. 0 minus 2, 5, 6. 0 minus 2, 5, 6, children. So minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1, 3. A1, B2, 0 into 6, 0. Minus into minus plus, 5 2 ja 10. Power is odd number, result will be negative. 0 plus 10, 10, children. That is equal to how much? Minus 10, children. So you will get here minus 10. So what is the cofactor of 3, children? Cofactor of 3 is minus 10. Now, how to find cofactor of minus 1? So minus 1 is in second row, second column. Second row, second column, right? Minus 1 to the power, second row, second column, and whose minor? That corresponding row, corresponding column you remove. 1 minus 2, 4, 6. 1 minus 2, 4, 6. right? So minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2 4, a1 b2 6 minus a2 b1 minus into minus plus 4 to the 8. If the power is even number, result will be positive. 6 plus 8, that is equal to 14. Children, what is the cofactor of minus 1? Cofactor of minus 1 is 14. Okay. Now let us find what is the cofactor of 2. Actually, element 2 which is there in second row and third column. So minus 1 to the power 2 plus 3, that corresponding row, corresponding column, if you remove, you will get the minor 1045. 1045, right? So minus 1 to the power 2 plus 3, that is 5. Its minus determinant 1 5 is 5 minus 4 into 0, 4 0 is 0. Minus 1 to the power 5, minus only. So 5 minus 0, that is equal to 5, minus into 5, that is minus 5 children, which is equal to minus 5. Now how to find cofactor of element 4? What is the cofactor of element 4? 4 is in third row, first column, and corresponding row, corresponding column you remove. Elements are 0, minus 2, minus 1, 2. So minus 1 to the power 3 plus 1 4. 3 plus 1 4, whose determinant is what? 0 into 2 0, minus into minus plus 1 2 is 2. If the power is even number, result will be plus 0 minus 2 children. Plus into minus minus, that is minus 2. So what is the cofactor of 4? Cofactor of 4 is minus 2. Next, let us find the cofactor of 5. 5 is in third row, second column. Minus 1 to the power third row, second column. Corresponding row, corresponding column you remove. Elements are 1 minus 2, 3, 2. 1 minus 2, 3, 2. Minus 1 to the power 3 plus 2, 5. a1 b2, 1 into 2 2, minus into minus plus 3 2 is 6. If the power is odd number, result will be negative. 2 plus 6, 8 children. So minus 8. So cofactor of element 5 is minus 8. Now coming to cofactor of element 6, which is there in third row, third column. I mean minus 1 to the power 3 plus 3. Corresponding row, corresponding column you remove. 1 0 3 minus 1. Minus 1 to the power 3 plus 3, 6 children. a1 b2, 1 into minus 1 minus 3 into 0, 0 children. Minus 1 to the power even number. Even number means plus children, that is equal to minus 1 minus 0, that is minus 1. Plus into minus, minus 1. So what is that? Minus 1 children. Got it? So can you say me what is the cofactor of matrix? What is the cofactor of matrix A? That cofactor of matrix A is, you can consider as element B. Cofactor is what? Minus 16, minus 10, 16, minus 10, 14, minus 5, minus 2, minus 8, minus 1. So what is the cofactor of A children? 1 cofactor is minus 16, 0 cofactor is minus 10, minus 2 cofactor is 16, 3 minus 10, minus 1 14, 2 minus 5, 4 minus 2, 5 minus 8, 6 minus 1. So in this way we can find cofactor of given matrix. So when we are finding inverse method, there we will use cofactor of a given matrix. I hope you understood today's concept about minor of an element and cofactor of an element. So children, this is little bit confusion. Once if you understand the concept, we can go easily with the sums. Okay children, thank you.